one Binance announcement. Right here, it talks about latest news for notice of removal of some trading pairs on the Binance platform. So Binance has announced that it will remove and cease trading on the following trading pairs as of 2022-01 January 28th. So you want to make sure it utilizes information to the best possible way that it suits you. So these are the tokens we have. These EJEC token as against ETH. We also have KSM, AED, we have MFT, BNB, we have XXP, AED, we have XEM, BUSD. So please know that users can still trade their above assets on other trading pairs that are available on the Binance. So that's just the old stuff. So what you should know that there are various reasons that could lead to Binance moving of trading pairs. Could be that the number of people utilizing these pairs might not be, or these pairs are not being traded, or there could also be several other reasons. So you want to check out the FAQs on Binance to understand how trading pairs are being removed and more, guys. So for disclaimer, it says cryptocurrency trading is subject to high market risk. Please know that you need to trade cautiously. The advice that Binance is not responsible for your trading losses. And thanks for your support. So guys, we do hope this information is helpful to you. I will be bringing you more updates from Binance and more, guys. So if you want to stay tuned to our YouTube channel, feel free to subscribe. If you have any questions, kindly feel free to let us know. We'll still be dropping some updates live from Binance, guys. So you want to stay tuned to our YouTube channel. Click on the subscribe button so you get notified whenever we drop updates that will be beneficial to you. So this is it, guys. That's on today's news updates. Thanks for watching. If you like, stay tuned for more, and peace out, guys.